Now I'm going to explain Holika festival in English. Holika festival celebration is a realization of our ultimate existence, that my existence or your existence is complete, pure consciousness. Whatever you see head to toes, each and every perception of this, each and every part of this is a structure of complete purity. There is no impure consciousness anywhere in the cosmos. When we realize this, this is called realization of ultimate truth. This is called oneness with God. Now let us try to understand how to start our journey. Now let us start that we are beginner. This is the first day of the journey. Then first day how we live. My life is very good. I am hard worker. I earn my food. I am not beggar. I don't open hand like this. Always I worked hard and I eat. I am not dependent on anyone. I am having everything what I need. This is called beginning consciousness, in which we are growing, and we find that I am successful person because whatever I need, I work hard, I get it. Okay, all right. Now, by the Kriya Yoga practice, I am increasing my consciousness more. Now, when I work hard, I get everything, but I have to work hard to supply you also everything. I have to make you as competent person that if I can get everything, you can get everything, then let us work together. Try to create a movement. Then keep on expanding. Now I am living with 4 persons. Okay, now my consciousness is expanding. Then I am living for 10 persons. Then I am living for 100. Then 1,000, millions, then whole human population. Then I am living for all. In this way, now you can understand 2 consciousness. One is the individual, we call it small worldly affairs, and one is called very big, broad-mindedness. First is called the Vishwa consciousness, and second is called the Virat consciousness. Now, if you are having Virat consciousness, naturally you will have more power and knowledge of all kinds. If you are concerned with the single person, the amount of power and knowledge will be very little. Now let us think. I started working to fulfill my dreams and desires. I am hungry. I earn and I get money. I fill my stomach. I want cloth. I want car. I want bike. I work hard, I get. From where I get this idea of working culture? In working, you have to control your senses and mind. Okay, I did it. Then I get it. That the power which brings the control over senses and mind is called Tejas, third consciousness. Now I am able to work for all, not only myself. When I am working for all, then I am holding such great strength that I am able to explain you how to control senses and mind. Then we all together in the process of controlling senses and mind. This is called the 4th stage of consciousness, Hiranyagarbha. In that stage, when you try to live for all, then all are existing because of the plants. Then you will be able to how to live for plants. All are existing because of the animals. Then you will know how to live for animals. Without earth you cannot exist. Then you will know how to look after earth. If you are having the power and knowledge how to look after all human beings, all animals, plants and the planets, all bacteria and viruses, then what you will think? Yes, I am self-realized master. Then I am one with God. If you are worshipping me, you are worshipping God. This was the concept developed by great realized master of India. His name was Hiranyakashipu. He was in such higher stage that he was able to help anyone. But in that stage, remember, if I say I am helping you, okay, I am able to help everybody, that is not the ultimate stage of realization. But he was having misunderstanding. This is the ultimate aim of realization. Then what is the ultimate aim of realization if I help you and I never tell that I help you? If my existence has become your existence and I never told that it is I, it is you, it is I am present in your form, I am present in the form of these planets, all animals and the all plants and everything. It is my existence who has become all. If I don't tell it, that is called giving me such great joy. That joy is million times more than the joy what I receive when I am able to help all human beings and plants and animals. I am able to help earth and moon and solar system, all creation of this cosmos. The joy, how much you will get? Multiply that joy million times more. You will get that joy when you don't tell anyone that you have done this. That is called the highest stage of self-realization. In order to achieve that stage, this Holika festival was arranged. But our consciousness, majority of the people consciousness is not realizing that this glory. Therefore, festival tradition has changed its form. As you see in Christianity, in the name of Jesus Christ, we drink wine. In the Last Supper, he drank wine. Who served it? Tell me. And he demonstrated one miracle, that bread and fish. He just did miracle that everybody's stomach was filled with the bread and fish. Why he will not demonstrate to bring the dry fruits and other kind of fruits? Why he will demonstrate to just present and make the all fishes to reappear? This is all the hoax created by some person. This is not reality. Therefore, how to achieve that ultimate aim? Help anyone and forget. Generally we say, oh, I help that person, everything, but that person is very bad. He never look at me. Don't live like this. If you want fast progress, try to do your level best and forget that you have helped. This is your duty. Your duty to help others and not to remember that person should help you. No, forget it. The moment you live this lifestyle, you cannot imagine your life will be very fast. And never criticize anyone. If you criticize anyone, trying to fault anyone, this is also trying to find fault. Oh, how many years you are practicing, you are still like just dull person, ignorant. How many years you practice Kriya Yoga? Tell me. 20 years? Still you are foolish. What you did? This is called finding fault. Never try to judge anyone. Never try to put your reasoning power after seeing person on the surface talk. When try to diagnose person, okay, I am going to just try to observe that person is very bad, he talks very rough. Swami Yukteswar Giri, one of the biggest teacher on this earth. Therefore Yogananda was sent to him. There were many realized masters at the same time, but Mahatar Baba selected Yukteswar Giri, that Yogananda will go there because Yukteswar Giri was very hard on those who decided to follow the path. For others, nothing. Little bit his gene is associated with me. Swami Yukteswar Giri. Just knowingly, unknowingly, just I follow his lifestyle. If you have decided to practice it, if really you have decided, then all the time I am behind you. I never allow you to do anything incorrect. If you have not decided, I completely close my eyes. Automatically it comes within because of the some invisible grace of divine power that I cannot tell it here. Therefore, remember the most important point. From today onward, just do one thing. Try to help your level best all, but never try to get anything in return. The moment you do this, this path will be very high speed of self-realization. But you are listening, but you cannot do it. This is the point. But you want to do it, then how to do that? Never miss the Kriya Yoga practice class. Join Kriya Yoga meditation with the deepest devotion. Think that this is the most important moment when you are sitting here in congregation and practicing. If you practice it sincerely and read autobiography of Yogi every day and never try to misinterpret it, then this is the easiest way how to ascend you from this consciousness to upward with good speed. This is about brief interpretation of the Holika celebration we are doing here.